guys, welcome back my channel. Today I have brought very interesting video to all of you guys. I hope you will be watching this video. Guys, you already know 90% people or Assam is cultivators. Guys, today is very interesting day and climate is very comfortable and very enjoyable. Has been raining for 3 hours. Guys, now you can see somebody is purging around and one person is flogging in the field with 2 catties. They are doing very hard work. Today, guys, now I have completed my video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and share and please the bell icon. Thank you very much.